Hi everyone, welcome to 9th class student for math class. Today I am going to explain factors theorem. See this here, page number 64 for 9th class students. Open and see this explanation. Factor theorem. If p of x is a polynomial of degree n is greater than or equal to 1 and a is any real number, then x minus a is a factor of p of x. If p of a is equal to 0 and second one p of a is equal to 0, x minus a is a factor of p of x. అంటే x బదులు ఏదైనా వాల్యూ x plus 1 is equal to 0కి ఈక్వల్ చేస్తే x is equal to -1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే అది 0 అయితే p of x is equal to కూడా 0 అవుతుంది అని ప్రూఫ్. By remainder theorem, p of x is equal to x minus a into q of x plus p of a. If p of a is equal to 0, then p of x is equal to x minus a into q of x, which shows that x minus is a factor of p of x. Since x minus is a factor of p of x is equal to x minus a into g of x for same polynomial g of x in this case. So p of a is equal to a minus a into g of a. A minus a 0 into something is equal to 0. Example 6 you have to observe here. Examine whether x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6 and 2x plus 4. Solution. The 0 of x plus 2. So ante x plus 2 is equal to 0 ఉంటుంది. X is equal to plus 2, take the right side, minus 2. So minus 2 in the p of x is equal to this one given that, and s of x is equal to given that. Okay, now p of minus 2 into minus 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 2 whole square plus 5 into minus 2 plus 6. Minus 2 whole cube ante minus 8. ఎలా రాయాలి? minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus into minus minus. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. ఇలా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. కొంతమంది ఏం చేస్తున్నారంటే 2 3s are 6 అని చెప్తున్నారు. అలా చేయకూడదు. సో 2 స్క్వేర్ అంటే 4, 12 అవుతుంది. 5 2s are 10. సో 0. సో బై ది ఫ్యాక్టర్ థీరం x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 8. And then you have to observe here s of x కూడా తీసుకుంటే దాంట్లో -2 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే 2 into minus 2 plus 4 is equal to 0. ఎలా s of x is equal to ఎంత ఇచ్చేటప్పుడు మనకి 2x plus 4. s of -2 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి 2 into -2 plus 4. -4 plus 4 equal to 0. So this is the equation. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, share with your friends and like it.